Hello friends, welcome to my channel and today I am doing the unboxing of Honor 9 Lite. Okay, this is the most affordable smartphone that comes with 4 cameras, has dual camera setup on back as well as on front. Okay, I cut the seal, so just quickly open the box. So here the phone itself. This is the 32 GB variant that comes with 3 GB of RAM. There is also one more variant that's having 64 GB of internal storage and that's come with 4 GB of RAM. Just quickly open it, remove that. So over there you can see it looks very premium because of 18:9 aspect ratio. This having glass on back. Yes. Glass on back. Okay, just keep this aside and see what we get inside the box. Okay, there is a Sim Ejector Tool. There is a Sim Ejector Tool. Very tight. Okay, so here's the weight. So here's the Sim Ejector Tool. It is a quick start guide and a Huawei warranty card. Keep this aside. And a charger and a USB cable. Okay, this is a regular USB cable, not type C. And the power rating of charger is 5 watt and 2 ampere, so it is not a fast charger. Okay, let's look at the handset. As you can see, this is the handset. Let me give you the physical overview. On top we have nothing. Okay, and on right we have a volume rocker and power button, and on bottom we have a single speaker, micro USB port, main microphone and 3.5 mm headphone jack. And on left we have a SIM tray which have hybrid SIM slot over there. Okay, and the two cameras on front, the primary is 13 and secondary is 2 megapixel, and on back we have same configuration 13 and 2, and also we have a LED flash and a fingerprint sensor over there. Okay, by that time I boots up and set it up, let me give you the physical configuration overview. So over there, okay, Honor 9 Lite having high silicon Kirin 9659 Octa Core Processor, 5.69 inch screen having 18:9 aspect full HD plus IPS screen of 428 ppi, dual SIM having hybrid micro SD card support, rear and front dual cameras of 13 and 2 megapixel, fingerprint scanner and 3000 mAh battery. So now phone is boots upon on. So I have set up this device. Okay, so you can see the UI of Honor 9 Lite. It is a pre-installed apps that comes with Honor 9 Lite. Okay, now quickly go to settings, and in settings go to system, and in about phone, over there you can see and it is running on Android version 8.0 Oreo, which is a great thing, running on latest version of Android. And the phone storage is 32 gigabytes. Out of that you can get 22.9 gigabyte and RAM 3 GB, and the Android security patch level is of 1 December 2017. Okay, let me give you the camera overview. If we talk about camera performance, over there you can see slide left and right functions over there. Okay, if we slide on right, we get modes which are photo, pro video, HDR, night shot, panorama, light painting, time lapse, filter, watermark, and we download more from here. And on this side, we have the resolution, GPS, adjustive grid, and all these things. We just capture a photo over there. Let's check out what's the performance. Over there you can set the brightness. It's capture very fastly. So overall in low light camera performance is good. Average performance in low light. But according to this range the camera performance is really good. It gives you a pure details. So over there you can see the camera performance is really good, not average, it's really good. And over there modes are available. This is a portrait mode. By this you can tap to enable and disable it. This is a portrait mode. This photo I click by portrait mode. Portrait mode is for face, so no blurry effect. Overall phone performance is really good. I didn't get any lag. So this is the unboxing of Honor 9 Lite. So what do you think about this phone? Do let me know in the comment section, and thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for latest updates.